Kia ora i te whanau, ko Challen ko Ngāti Kuia te iwi. I'm just doing a short video about my experience and my whanau's experience with our COVID-19 vaccination. I found it really easy. I got an email and then I could book for me and my entire household, me, my daughter, my partner and our homestay student to get our vaccination done. And then we all went together 2 days after I booked it to the Birkenhead location up here in Tāmaki Makaurau, and every part of the experience we could do as a whānau. We signed in together, we waited together, we saw the same nurse all at the same time, and then we had our 20-minute wait period at the end together, and then we left together. One of the biggest fears, I guess, at least my daughter had, because she was afraid of needles, is that it would hurt. And she was pleasantly surprised that it didn't hurt, not at all. She couldn't even feel it. So that was really awesome. Yeah, so those were two of the highlights of our COVID vaccination. Kia ora whānau.